Alrighty, so this is my plants that I have repotted and grew over because everything pretty much died, y'all. This is my cucumber, my first cucumber that has sprouted up. I think I put like 2 seeds in this cup. So once that other seed sprouts, I'm gonna go ahead and pick it and repot it. So like right here, no, it was right here. This one had another one. I just pulled it right on out and I repotted it. And this one, I repotted this one yesterday from this one in the back, my red cherry tomatoes. I repotted this one yesterday and it looks like it's doing pretty good. So I guess the method that I need to do is like once I see that it is popped up and it is looking like a cute little flower, that I need to hurry up and repot it so that it doesn't like die super fast. Like if you wait a few days, like I would not pull this one out and repot it. Look how big it is. This one that's growing beside it, I'm going to wait for that one to come up like this and pull it out and repot it into another cup, into its own cup. That way that it can grow and be as big as this one and not die off super quickly. And yeah, I don't want it to die. So all of these are my new plants. I got one cucumber. This is a tomato, red cherry tomato, red cherry, and these are my pepper plants that they're the old ones. So they grew in the strawberry container that I had made like a greenhouse, and I took those out and repotted them in cups so I could reuse the other dirt. And this is the strawberry container that I had reused. Look, it's a pepper plant right on the side over there. I guess I must have forgot that one, but I end up putting onions in this container, and that's what they look like right now. They're growing up. They look good. This one was an old onion plant from my first batch of plants that I was growing, and I just pulled it out and planted it right in there, and it's still doing pretty good. I cut that one down so it doesn't like be like super tall in this short container. But as I was noticing when I was looking at the container itself, let me see if I can pull it up. I was looking at the container, and as you can see, roots are coming out of this thing. Can you see that? Roots are coming out this thing, y'all. And it's one over here as well. That's the pepper jank. It's getting really big. I'm most likely gonna have to pull that one out. But yeah, roots are coming out of this container. So I don't even know if I should keep this like this or what to do. I don't want the roots to be disturbed and break and just ruin the whole thing. The strawberries still have not come out. I don't think I did this one right, but nothing has sprouted in this container. Nothing at all. This is supposed to be the strawberries. I don't know if I did that right. And then these are my other plants, bell peppers that I planted. This was basil, I believe. I had to redo it because that basil was looking kind of dead. So I didn't even fool with that. I don't even know what I did. That may not be basil. That may be something else. Maybe lettuce. I can't remember. And I did not label it. I don't know why. These are Junior's. He wanted to do cabbage and cantaloupe, and I did some peat moss for him. These ones are okay. Bell peppers. This was my lettuce. Hasn't come up yet, and cucumbers again. Nothing has come up in that one. That's my cucumbers. And these are all of my cups of soil that had something in it, but it died. So I pulled it out and I reused it for like my little seedlings that sprout up. So I'll just grab a cup, poke a hole in it, water it, and then put the plants inside those cups, and I just relabel it. But this is what we have going on right now. But this is what we have growing on right now. And also my broccoli and my cauliflower outside, they're looking really good. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those inside. I may need to separate it so that it can grow a little bit like bigger. I'm going to go show it to you real quick. Give me 1 minute. So these are my outside babies, and it's only 6 of them, and I think only 3 or 4 has something in them. So I'm going to bring those inside. The spinach, nothing for the spinach, nothing. What was the name of this? Swiss chard, nothing. What is this? Lettuce. Like 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to bring that inside. What is this? Broccoli. Broccoli is looking good. I need to go ahead and possibly take this out. I don't even know. Should I just leave it? I don't know. So that's coming in. My cauliflower is looking good. I don't know if I need to separate this. I'm going to do some research first, but they look good too. And this one was like another form of lettuce, and it's not looking the best. And it's only like those 2 in there. So I'm going to probably, I guess, let this one go. I don't know. Should I save them? I don't know. Anyway, I'll move these down. No, this one. Then we're going to take the broccoli and the cauliflower closer to the house, because I might try to, oh, and the lettuce. So 3 out of the 6 did something. We're going to bring these closer by and try to separate them. But that's pretty much it. It's cold out here today. The sun is not really shining. It's cold. It's yeah. I'm gonna put these right here. I can smell my breakfast. I'm about to go in the house, y'all, and I'll be back for those later to try to separate them and see what I can do. But thank y'all for watching. Hope you have a good day. Grow something. And y'all be blessed. Bye.